Hi, I'm Brett and welcome to the first video of Your 4x4 Life. This has been a really long journey for me, I've got to say. Becoming a YouTuber, I don't think is easy. I started a journey back in 2005. Actually, maybe YouTube didn't even hardly exist back then. But watching some other shows, I'd seen other people start with pretty much nothing and make a career out of being on video, being on TV, being a journalist, never knowing where that might actually take you. Back then, there were some people, some families who were taking off and capturing their journey, traveling the world. And I thought, you know what? That's me. I can do that. So what do I need to do? I need to get some knowledge. There's not much back in 2005 about that kind of topic. So I found a media specialist that ran a course down in Melbourne in Australia, because that's where I'm from. I'm Australian. And that course ran for maybe a few hours every Saturday for 6 or 7 weeks. The funny thing was, by the time I got to week 3, with my tiny video camera that had a cassette in it, very old school, I was submitting those to the course leader. And what happened was he'd look at them, and one day he took me out and he's gone, "Brett, you're so stiff, you're so tight, like, you've got to relax. There's no way you're going to make this in this career. I've trained up some really famous people and you just haven't got it." And you know what? He wasn't wrong. He was right. It was good advice. But the problem was with me. So with me having to relax, even just to do this video here today, this is raw. This is freaking me out. But it is what it is. You just need to start. So over the last few months, and well, even to be honest, a few years, Your 4x4 Life became a brainchild of mine a number of years ago. So I have the domain of your4x4life.com. Hey, there's nothing on it yet, but it's an idea. The idea is for people to get the most out of their lives. Just like when you have a 4x4 car, you don't want to just leave it in a garage and drive it on the tarmac or on the bitumen. You want to actually get out there and live your life. Do some different things. You don't want to have the same life every year, year in, year out for your entire life. Yeah, it might be good, but by the end of it, you mightn't have too many stories to tell because they're kind of same. Anyway, I don't want to talk about that yet, but that's what Your 4x4 Life is about. You getting the most out of your life, and I hope to take you on that journey. But for me to start to tell that, I've got a lot to learn. I've got so much to learn about becoming a YouTuber, about becoming a content creator, that I don't really know where to start. But the only one thing I can tell you is I've watched, probably just like you, hundreds and hundreds of hours of videos of YouTube gurus, of people starting out and sharing their journey, which has been really heartfelt and really honest, and something that I've been taking into account. Small YouTubers who are sharing their journey. So that's where I'm starting. I'm a small YouTuber with 0 subscribers, and I'm just trying to share my journey. One thing I've found, the one common denominator that's glued everything together of all of the gurus and the videos that I've watched, is just using that old Nike adage of just do it. Do it. Get out there, turn the camera on, and just start. I'm fully aware that this video might get 1 or 2 or 3 views. I probably can't even imagine any more than that right now. But the one common denominator of do it. And the do it was to make what you want to watch. Funny thing is, looking at this is in reverse on camera, but I am just hoping that it's not in reverse for you. So do it. Make what you want to watch. And you know what? I don't want to watch me. So why am I here? I hope that now that I'm over 50, I've done a few things. I want to share a few things with you along the way that I've learned. So I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to get out there. I've collated all of these sticky notes behind me, all these post-it notes behind me have come from hundreds of hours of work of just watching videos about what you should do to become a YouTuber. One thing is to focus down on your content and start focusing on what you want to talk about to a specific audience. Right now, I'm not even sure that I've got a specific audience. I think I can reach everyone, but probably not. But that's what I want to find out on this journey. Who's interested? What type of people are interested in what I have to say? So I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to make what I want to watch. So let's do it. I hope you'll come on this journey with me. So buckle in and let's see what's next. Talk soon. Ciao.